Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6th subject Maths. So in the previous videos we have completed the ratio, right, and also started the concept of proportion we have completed, and the examples on it, that is I think 12.2 we have started, right. I think we have completed up to 4th or 6th example. Just check. Give me 1 second please. Yeah, we have completed up to B. Okay, we have completed up to D. Okay, so we will start E. 4, 6, 8, 12. So ratio of 4 to 6 is equal to 4 upon 6, right? So 4 upon 6, we can simplify it into 2 upon 3, right? We can divide 4 upon 6 by 2, so we get 2 upon 3. Then the ratio of 8 to 12. Now 8 to 12, that is 8 upon 12, so it can be divisible properly by 4. So 8 2s are 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now see these two ratios. They are same na? So since ratios are same, or we can say equal, the given ratio are in proportion. Get it? Fine. Next example. 33, 44, 75, 100. Ratio of 33 to 44. We get 33 upon 44 divided by 11. Okay, because it can be simplified properly. So 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. That is 3 upon 4. Then the ratio of 75 to 100. That is 75 upon 100. We get, if we divide it, so it will 5 3s are 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. So 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Same na? So since ratio are same or equal, we given ratios are in proportion. So same question but little bit difference here. So second question, write true or false against each of the following statements. The statements are given here. We have to write whether they are in proportion. If they are in proportion, you have to write true, and if they are not in proportion, you have to write false. Okay, let's start. Fine. 16, 24 as to are in proportion with 20 as to 30. Once again I will read. See, 16 to 24 are in proportion with 20 as to 30. So let's check. 16 upon 24. So 16 और 24 को किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? 8 से. 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24. Okay. Now 20 30. So 20 and 30. So it can be simplified by dividing 10. 10 2 जा 20, 10 3 जा 30. दोनों सेम आ गए ना? No, we can say the ratios are equal, so they are in proportion. 16 as to 24, 20 as to 30. That is true. Okay. So B question you have to solve. Okay, same as I have solved the first one. Fine. So let's start the C. Okay. 12 as to 100. 12 as to 18 are in proportion with. These 4 dots indicates are in proportion with. ये जो 4 डॉट्स दिए है ना, तो उसको हम कैसे रीड करेंगे? आर इन प्रोपोर्शन विथ. ठीक है, फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ. सो 12 as to 100 are in proportion with 28 as to 12. Let's start. 12 upon 18. So 12 और 18 किसके टेबल में? 6 के. 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18. So it is 2 as to 3. Then next ratio, 28 as to 12. So 28 as to 12. So 28 and 12 can be divisible by 8. So 28 and 12 are divisible by 4. So 7 4s are 28 and 4 3s are 12. So this is 2 as to 2 upon 3, that we can say 2 as to 3. And second ratio is 7 upon 3, that is 7 as to 3. So are they same ratio? No. So they are not in proportion. Okay, so it is false. So let's take the next example. 8 as to 9 and 24 as to 27. So 8 as to 9. So there is no another number except 1 that can divisible by 8 and 9. So we have to write as it is. Get it? Now next ratio 24 upon 27. So it can be divisible by 3. 3 4 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27. So it is 8 upon 9. So both ratios are same right now, so they are in proportion. So we can write here 8 as to 9 are in proportion with 24 as to 27. It is true. Now next, 5.2 as to 3.9 are in proportion with 3 as to 4. Okay, so let's see. See here, it is 5.2 and 3.9. So forget first about the decimal. So we can see here 52 upon 39. So both are in the table of 13. So we can divide it right now. So 13 4 the 52 and 13 3 the 39. And both have decimal. So if we multiply both by 10, so we get the same number. So it is 4 upon 3. Then the second ratio is 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 cannot be divisible except 1. So we have to write as it is. Now see here, it is 4 upon 3 and it is 3 upon 4. Are they equal? No, no. So we have to write here. So they are not in proportion. That is false. Please write here false. I forgot it. Okay. So F example you have to take as a homework. Now question 3, same as the above one. Are the following statements are true? We have to check if they are in proportion. If they are in proportion, we have to write true. And if they are not in proportion, you have to write false. Let's start. A. 40% to 100% equal to rupees 15 as to rupees 75. Okay, so first of all we take first ratio. 40 upon 200. So 40 upon 200 is divisible by 40. Right now? So it is 1 upon 5. Then next ratio 15 upon 75. So both can be divisible by 15. So we get here 1 upon 5. Okay. So see both simplification ratio. It is 1 upon 5. It is 1 upon 5. So same now. So they are in proportion. So we can write here true. Get it? Next. 7.5 liter and 15 liters equal to 5 kg as to 10 kg. So see here, 7.5 and 15. So if we divide both by 15, we get 15 7 are 75, but decimal here, so we have to write here 0.5 and 15 ones are 15. It is 0.5 as to 1. Okay, but if we multiply it by 2, we get 1 as to 2. Is it right? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 0.5 को, we get 1.0 and 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना आएगा 2. So it ratio is 1 as to 2. Okay, so let's see the second next ratio 5 upon 10. Now 5 upon 10 can be divisible by 5. So it is 5 1 the 5 and 5 2 the 10. So it is 1 upon 1 as to 2. So see both ratios are same. So it is true. Now next example. C we have to take as a homework. So let's start the D. Give me 1 minute please. Okay, fine. 32 meter 64 meter equal to 6 second as to 12 second. Okay, so 32 upon 64. So 32 and 64 are in the table of 16. So 16 2 the 32 and 16 4 the 66. Also 2 upon 4 can be divisible by 2. So it is 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Then next 6 second 12 seconds. So 6 upon 12. So it can be divisible by 6. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. Okay. So it is true because both ratios are same. E example you have to take as a homework. Fine. So before starting unitary method, I think this is our next topic. Okay. We have completed 12.2 na?